Friends, in this video we are going to solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4 of practice set 35 of lesson 8 algebraic expressions and operations on them of standard 7 of Maharashtra State Board. The question is multiply. Friends, I hope before multiplying this directly, I hope you are much aware with rules of multiplication of expressions and terms. Before this video, I had made 2 such videos based on those rules. So if you are unaware of those rules, please go through those videos. Link of the videos is given in the description. Okay, now 16xy into 18xy, what we have to do? We have to multiply coefficients with coefficients. Means we have to multiply 16 with 18 or 18 with 16. 18 6 are 108. So 8 will be written, 10 is the carry, keep in mind. 10 is the carry. 18 ones are 18 plus carried 10. 18 plus 10, 28. Okay, then symbols. Plus is the symbol in the case of multiplication. So symbol of both is plus. Then symbol of the answer is plus 288. Multiplication of coefficients is over. 18 into 16 is equals to 288 plus 288. Finish. Now what do we have to do with these variables and their indices? Do we have to write it as it is xy? Is it correct answer? The answer is absolutely not. Students, we will write variable with indices only in the case of addition and subtraction. Like suppose the question is 16xy plus 18xy. Then we can write their addition 16 plus 18 34 xy without changing their degrees. But in case of multiplication, degrees or indices of the variables may change. And how they will change? Let us see. What do we have to do? Look at the similar variables. Same variables in both of the terms. X is in first term also and in second term also. Okay. So wherever variables are same, add their indices. What is the index of x? 1. Here what is the index of x? 1. So add the index of x. 1 plus 1, 2. And write it as new index. So new index of x is equals to 2. So answer is equals to 288x square. Similarly, y is in the first term also and in the second term also. So let's add the indices of y. Here index of y is 1. Here also index of y is 1. So new index of y will be y raised to 1 plus 1, 2. Clear friends? So 28x square y square is the only term. So this is our final answer. Okay, let us see next example. 23xy square into 4yz square. First of all, we have to multiply the coefficients. 4 3s are 12. 1 is the carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So 92. 92 is the multiplications. Now symbols. Plus 92 is the symbol. Now plus 92 is the answer. Now deal with variables and indices. First variable x. Is it x there in the second term? No. So what will be the index of x in second term? Automatically it will be 0. Or what we have to do in such cases? If there is not any similar variable available in second term, just write the variable as it is with its degree. So x is in first term, it's not in second term. So write x with its degree 1 as it is. Done. Next variable is y square. Is y present in second term? Yes. Here y is present. So what we have to do? We have to add the indices of same variable. So new index of y will be addition of indices. In first term, index is 2. In second, index is 1. So new index will be 2 plus 1, 3. So x, y cube. Now all the variables in first term finished. In second term, y is finished, z square is remained, but z is not in the first term. So whenever its matching variable is not present in the second term, what do we have to do? Write it as it is, z square. Clear friends? So our answer is equals to 92x y cube z square. Done. Let us see the third example. Third example is 12a plus 17b. This total bracket is one term. We have to multiply by 4c. First of all, students, I am going to tell you how to write multiplication of algebraic expressions. Normally, this symbol is not required to write. So, how to write it as? We have to write it as 4c in the bracket 12a plus 17b. So meaning of this, whenever there is not any symbol between number, coefficient and variable, the meaning is multiplication. So 4c meaning is 4 multiplied by c. 12a, between 12 and a, there is not any symbol. So meaning is 12 multiplied by a. 17b means 17 multiplied by b. Similarly, 4c and between this bracket, there is not any symbol. So the meaning is 4c multiplied by this bracket. So please be habitual of writing such multiplication and understanding what is the meaning of this. So the meaning is 4c multiplied by this bracket. Clear? Now whenever we are multiplying the bracket, what we have to do? We have to multiply each and every term in the bracket with the term out of the brackets. Means by this 4c I have to multiply by 12a. By this 4c I have to multiply 17b. So let's go. So that is equals to 4c into 12a. What we have to do? Multiply coefficients. 12 4 the 48. Symbols plus plus plus. So plus 48. Variable c a. Both are unlike. They are not similar. So no need to add their indices. So write it as it is ca. 48 ca. Done. Now 4c multiply by plus 17b. 4 into 17. 17 for the 68. Symbols plus plus plus. So plus 68. Variables c and b. Unlike variables, different variables. So we can't add their indices. So cb. So 48 ca plus 68 cb is our final answer. Okay. But we are habitual of reading ABCD in its order. So you can write it as 48 AC plus 68 BC. Why? Because we are habitual to write A before C, B before C. Hence we are writing it. If you are writing till this step, then also it's perfectly okay. In your textbook, your answer may be printed like this. I don't know. But this is also correct and this is also correct. Meaning is same. Because CB means what? C multiplied by B. And we can write it as B multiplied by C. C multiplied by B and B multiplied by C. Both are same. So that we can say BC. Similar is the case with AC also. Let us see the fourth and the final example of this video. The example is 4x plus 5y into 9x plus 7y. So let's write it in the way how to write the multiplication of algebraic expressions. We can write it as 4x plus 5y multiplied by 9x plus 7y. Alright. Now we have to multiply these two brackets. How to multiply two brackets? What do we have to do? We have to, please remember, we have to multiply each and every term in the second bracket by each and every term in the first bracket. Means we have to multiply this 9x plus 7y by 4x. We have to multiply this 9x plus 7y by 5y. So how will you write 9x plus 7y multiplied by 4x? You should write it as 4x multiplied by 9x plus 7y. Right? As we did in the third example. Right? Now we have to multiply this 9x plus 7y by 5y. So how we will write it as plus 5y multiplied by 9x plus 7y. Clear? Again. Which is equals to. Now this is this kind of example. We have to multiply this bracket. Means we have to multiply each and every term in this bracket by this term out of the bracket. So let's multiply. 4x multiplied by 9x. 4 9s are 36. Variables are same. So add their indices. X raised to 1 plus 1, 2. 36x square. 4x plus 4x multiplied by 7y. 4 7s are 28. symbols plus 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 28. Variables x y, unlike variables, different variables, write them as it is. So plus 28xy. Next, plus 5y multiplied by 9x. 5 9 the 45, symbols plus plus plus, so plus 45, right? Variables yx, yx we can write directly yx, but as we have discussed, we will write in the order of abcd, so we will write it as xy. 45xy. Done. 5y multiplied by 7y. 5 7 the 35. 5 7 the 35. Symbols plus plus plus, so plus 35. Variables y, same variable, so we have to add the indices. Y raised to 1 plus y raised to 1. Y raised to 1 plus 1, 2. So 35y square. Now is it our final answer? Just scan the example from left to right and tell me, is it our final answer? I hope you are saying this is not final answer, because when is our final answer? If all of the terms are unlike. 36x square, yes, there is not any another term with 36x square. 28xy, 45xy, variables and indices are same. So this 28xy and 48xy, they are like terms, right? So all of the terms are not unlike, hence this is not our final answer. So what we have to do? What we can do between like terms? We can do their addition or subtraction based on their symbols. So plus plus plus, we have to do their addition. So let's do it. 36x square is unlike, so let's write it as it is. Plus 28 plus 45, we have to do their addition. 5 plus 8, 13, 1 is the carry. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 17, 7. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Symbol of the greater magnitude is plus. As we are doing addition, so write variable with indices as it is. Don't change it. xy as it is. Plus 35y square. Now all of the terms are unlike, hence this is our final answer. So you can say 4x plus 5y multiplied by 9x plus 7y is equals to 36x square plus 73xy plus 35y square. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.